Wonderful idea that people on YouTube are coming together to do a campaign for the Charmed Sons. I have great ideas for the Charmed Sons if it makes the series. I know I talked to a few people about it, and they told me that they talked to CW, the channel, but they're not interested right now because they have a supernatural show on, and they're only interested in chick flick shows, which is fine. And I heard that all the other stations don't want it either, but I believe that the campaign should be strong and still go on. And I've seen posters where you have Wes and Drew side by side, and it says the power of 3. That's so 20 years ago. And I have the poster to show you. So here it is. Yeah, that's it, and it's really cool. But I think that it should stay the power of 3. Introduce another son into the mix, one that is half witch and half non-powerful, because Leo clipped his wings to become human. So I think the power of 3 should still, be there. And I'm rambling right now, I know, but I just feel strongly about the Charmed Sons. That so much has gone on within Charmed in the 8 years that you could come up with another 8 seasons of Charmed for the Charmed Sons. Basically, more powerful demons and more life-living experiences, just like Charmed produced. They were witches, but they were also women trying to live a normal, and I put that in quotations, normal life, as normal as they can. So, for all you people that want to see the Charmed Sons, please keep the campaign strong, and let's fight the good fight and see what we can do. I have great ideas for the Charmed Sons. I really do. I really have a great imagination and would love to use it. I just don't have the money to buy all these lawyers to get my stuff patented. And I know I wouldn't be able to get this patent because I would have to talk to the creators of Charmed to do it, and all this work, and I don't have the money, or I don't have the numbers or anything. So if you know of anything that can help me and help, I just want to help with the campaign as much as I can. So that's all I'm going to leave you, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.